Today we are practicing pranayama. What is the pranayama? Okay. Pranayama. It's the fourth step of the Ashtanga. Prana. It means life force. Meaning you have to expand your life force. And also one more, control the rhythmic of your breath. We have rhythmic breath, improper breathing in our lifestyle. So we have to keep in proper way with the equal ratio. Inhale, then should be exhale. How you controlling your breath? That's help to improve your health. If you not getting breathe well, you will get the psychosomatic disorders, and it's going to connecting one by one, headache, dizzy, hypertension, anxiety, migraine, and the pranayama, it's the non-voluntary process. Here we have to breathe with our effort, with our expanding. But normal breathe, you no need to do force. That is the normal process. That is voluntary. It can doing itself. When you sleeping, you are not calling to your breathe. Okay, breathe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that is the process will be normal. But when we are trying to practice pranayama, there we have to keep effort on your breath to control in, out, hold. Those are the very important. Okay. Now let us practice Kapalabhati. Yeah, Kapalabhati is the cleansing technique. Also, it's the pranayama. When you're doing this, you have to be exhale. Inhale is the passive, exhale is the active. It's help to remove the toxin, clean your lungs. Understand? And it's good for the asthma related any respiratory disorders. So here, how many times? Alternative nostril, both nostril, and take one breath, do exhale. How many times? Okay, just we are going for the exhale, 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 exhale. Seconds for stroke. Here inhale, exhale many times, that is different. And here going to just inhale, exhale, no need. Just practice exhale only. Like that. So when you're doing that, you have to keep 60 strokes. After that, exhale completely. Hold the breath with the one inhale, then lock. Hold the breath, suck your belly, manage, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to you. Then after count, after holding, then Inhale, take with the ratio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After inhale, completely lock. Hold your breath in the chest. Also have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Then relax. Going to exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to you 15. Okay. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Stay there 15. Understand? Yes. Sit straight. Yes. Gently close your eyes. Relax your mind. Yes. Start. Okay. So how you done that? How to be realized to observe. When you holding the breath, how to be observe your ability, how to observe your heartbeat. The main things, how it's giving the benefit for the people, the same things how to avoid. Who have headache, heart problem, high blood pressure, any recent surgery on your stomach or the back, and pregnant, those persons don't try. Understand, Chi? Okay. Now when you keep practicing every day, it will help to study higher practice. When you holding the breath, that's going to help to do bandhas. When you holding the breath, they're going to get relaxed to your cardiovascular system. Here, that is the most important thing. How you breathing fast here, the same things we have breathing, do slow to active your cardia, then going to relax your cardia. Understand? Okay, this is the Kapalabhati. Yeah, Kapalabhati cleansing technique. Only exhale, exhale, exhale. Exhale is the active, inhale is the passive. Passive means no need to do inhale. That is automatic process. Here